and certifications or the certifications are very much important that demonstrate knowledge, but it will not help you in getting a job. What I mean is, the end of the day, the skills is matter. If you're having certification, it's providing some extra points for the people who is attending interview with you. So where and what you learn is always matters, and skills are transferable to other cloud service providers. That's what I meant initially. So learning AWS is easy. You can apply the same skills that you learned from AWS to Microsoft Azure or GCP, but there will be some different terms and different services for different service providers. But the functionality and the how the function works in different services is going to be the same, and highly beneficial if organizations are using particular cloud, one and if and only if there is a requirement. And CompTIA Cloud Plus, CCSK, which is a Certificate of Cloud Security Knowledge, CCSP, Certified Cloud Security Professional. These are all the certificates some of the cloud security specialists will do, and this will also be helpful if you are planned the career in cloud security. First thing, we should know the basics, and you have to get your hands on. Then you can prepare for the certification study or training. Then we can take the certification exam on any one of this. The choice is up to you, the difficulty, easy, beginner level, or intermediate level, advanced level. You can take any of the certifications, but make sure the fundamentals are very clear. You can even go with the free resources initially, and from there you can take it with the paid certifications. That will be helpful rather than going directly for paid certifications.